Dog Junior. Happy Thanksgiving, Junior. Good morning, Junior. Now so his face on camera. This is Junior here. He's 3 years old. Born in 2006. He's 2000, not 2006, 2016. Yeah, this is Junior. And yes, he has a tag on. His date tag here, I think. So the doctor's tag home again. That's Junior. It's my puppy, Junior. His name Junior. Yeah, he has the white hair. And he has another white hair here, and he has the good looking ears. He's a Chihuahua mix. He was from Tijuana, Mexico. I don't go to Tijuana. I'll see, he's at his hometown, Tijuana. Look at his nails here, and doggy nails. It's always a dog. Yeah, but he got attacked by a cat not too long ago in PetSmart. So if you have a Junior and he got bit by a pit bull at McDonald's, by the McDonald's in Modesto, California, I have a house in Modesto. If you have a Junior, he hurt his leg right here. So I'll take him out now. So see you later. Bye.